Quality of service, or QoS, refers to the ability of a router to recognize different types of internet data or traffic, such as video streams, online gaming, voice calls, and file downloads, and then assign priority to each device and application, such that everyone can enjoy the best possible internet experience. Without QoS, or by not turning on QoS, a router allocates bandwidth on a first-come, first-served basis. This can affect your experience when lots of devices connect and applications are started. In this example, the majority of the internet bandwidth is taken up by a BitTorrent download. Netflix viewing and online gaming suffer. To meet the internet access demands of homes today, NETGEAR developed Dynamic QoS. There are 4 capabilities of NETGEAR Dynamic QoS that differentiate it from other quality of service methods. First, NETGEAR Dynamic QoS recognizes applications and allocates the bandwidth required by each. The router intelligently manages bandwidth, so latency-sensitive apps always go first. Video streaming gets the largest possible bandwidth, and lower priority apps never get choked off. Second, Dynamic QoS differentiates between specific types of video streaming. The router dynamically balances buffering and bandwidth to deliver optimal viewing experience. Third, Dynamic QoS is device-aware. It recognizes different devices and allocates the optimal bandwidth for each. If the same Netflix app is streaming to a TV and a laptop, the router gives the optimal bandwidth to the TV to ensure the highest quality HD streaming. Fourth, cloud updates. The NETGEAR router automatically stays up to date with the latest apps and devices with regular updates from the NETGEAR cloud. Now let's see the difference Dynamic QoS makes. One click in the user interface turns on the router's Dynamic QoS. Or, with just a couple taps, you can turn on Dynamic QoS from your mobile device. As before, when the laptop begins the BitTorrent download, the router allocates the available bandwidth for it. But then, when the Netflix video and the online game begin, the router adjusts the bandwidth allocation, giving less bandwidth and lower priority to the BitTorrent download. The router's Dynamic QoS prioritizes the connected devices, making sure each gets the bandwidth it needs for the best connected experience. The NETGEAR router handles all this dynamic bandwidth allocation seamlessly and automatically. There's no setup or user configuration required. You can also monitor your network traffic from your mobile device, view your bandwidth usage by device or by application. Only NETGEAR Dynamic QoS is application-aware, video-aware, device-aware, and automatically updated from the cloud. Find out more at netgear.com.